Hi everyone, my name is Amr Abdelaziz and today my first video about Blender. I want to talk about a very simple shortcut in Blender I use a lot. Tilde key, and you can find it under the escape key, the tilde key. When you use it, you define your view. If you want to view the top view, the right view, the back view, the front view. Let's add box here, right here, and when you press tilde, you can select I want a view selected, so you get a good view selected. If let's say you're far away and you select your object right here in the layer panel and you press tilde key, you can type 3 for ease of access, but in the first you will not be having this kind of speed, so you can first just get your mouse right here, just get it right here. When you do it a lot, you get more easier and more speedy right when you get the mouse on the right side and the left side. You get the left, right side, top side, you get the bottom and the front, back, and view selected. If you even want to use the camera view, you can select it, but I don't have camera in my layer panel. Other one I want to talk about, if you have full size keyboard, you can press 5 in your numpad and you get this perspective, which called the graphic perspective. It's very good perspective. I use it a lot while I'm editing, so I can view my object in maybe, if you can say, 3 perspective. Like you can see it from top, side, bottom, and right side, from both side and top, which is make it very good when you edit. And when you get back to just press 5 again and you get to normal perspective, which is about real life, if I can say. I hope this video is very helpful for you, and goodbye.